Hello, sweet little friends! It's Luccy here. Today, Luccy is going to play with you to build a cute little model and explore 3 amazing natural worlds. The cold Arctic, full of white ice and snow, the cool blue ocean, where fish swim happily, the green grassland where gentle animals live now. Open your bright little eyes, listen very carefully, and let's play and learn together with Luccy. First, Luccy spreads a blue piece of paper in the middle of the table. Oh, it looks just like a cool blue ocean. Next, Luccy places a Greenland piece next to the water. This is our green grassland. Luccy sprinkles yellow sand beside the grassland. Then places small, colorful pebbles along the edge of the water to make it pretty. Now, Luccy adds red sand into one big corner. Wow, this area looks hot. Hot already! Luccy places rocky mountains behind the grassland and adds tiny flowers and bushes at the mountain base. These round mossy spots look so soft and cute. Let's add one big green tree here too. On the ocean, Luccy places light blue ice blocks. And of course, we need a special white ice cave. Look, the ocean waves curl and move like real water. Under the sea, we add seaweed and colorful coral. In the desert area, Luccy places lava rocks and tall, dry trees. Add some round wooden steps for a path. Wow, it looks even better now. All done. Arctic, ocean, grassland. Everything is ready to welcome the animals to their correct homes. Yellow-crested penguin. The yellow-crested penguin lives in cold places. It has bright yellow feathers on its head. Penguins cannot fly, but they swim very well. They like living together in big groups. They eat fish and small seafood. Its yellow feathers look very special. Penguin. Penguins are birds that live in very cold places. They waddle when they walk and look very cute. Penguins swim fast to catch fish. They love sliding on icy ground. They stay together to keep warm. They are friendly birds. Seal. Seals live near cold oceans. They have round bodies and strong flippers. Seals are excellent swimmers. On land, they like to rest and relax. They eat fish. They look chubby and cute. Polar bear. Polar bears are very big animals. They have white fur to stay warm. They live in icy, snowy places. Polar bears are strong hunters. They eat fish and seals. They are powerful Arctic animals. Stingray. Stingrays live on the ocean floor. Their bodies are flat like a fan. They swim very gently. They like hiding under the sand. They eat tiny sea animals. They look like they are flying. Scadfish. Scadfish live in big schools. They swim very fast in the ocean. Their bodies are long and slim. Swimming together keeps them safe. They eat small sea creatures. They move like one big group. Barracuda. Barracudas are ocean hunters. They have long bodies and sharp teeth. They swim very fast. They live in warm oceans. They eat smaller fish. They are strong swimmers. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange and white. They live near coral reefs. They often stay with sea anemones. They are small and adorable. They eat tiny sea creatures. Many children love them. Jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the ocean. Their bodies are soft and see-through. They float gently with the water. Some jellyfish can sting. They have no bones. They look like little umbrellas. Filefish. Filefish have a special body shape. They are flat and colorful. They swim slowly. They live near coral reefs. They eat sea plants. Their colors are beautiful. Zebras live on wide grasslands. They have black and white stripes. They live in large groups. They run very fast to escape danger. They eat grass. Their stripes look unique. Elephants are very big land animals. They have long trunks. They use their trunks to eat and drink. They live in families. They eat grass and leaves. They are gentle giants. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. They live on grasslands and open forests. They love eating tall tree leaves. They have long legs to run fast. They are gentle animals. Their necks are very tall. Rabbits are small and very cute. They have long ears. They run and jump very fast. They eat carrots and vegetables. They are shy and gentle. They live on land. Squirrel. Squirrels live in trees. They are great climbers. They love eating nuts and fruit. Their tails are big and fluffy. They are quick and playful. They move very fast. Lizards are small reptiles. They live in hot, dry places. They move very fast. They like sunbathing on rocks. They eat insects. They love warm sunshine. Crocodile. Crocodiles are very large reptiles. They have sharp teeth. They live near rivers and swamps. They swim and hunt very well. They stay very still to catch prey. They are strong hunters. Pythons are reptiles that live on land. They have long, thick bodies. They move by crawling on the ground. They do not have venom. They catch food by squeezing tightly. They move slowly and quietly. Cobras are very special snakes. They can spread their necks when scared. They live in warm places. They have venom. They move very quietly. They look impressive. Banded crate. Banded crates have black and white stripes. They are active at night. They live in wet areas. They move quickly and silently. They are venomous snakes. They should be avoided. Gecko. Geckos are small reptiles. They can walk on walls. They make special sounds. They live in forests and homes. They eat insects. They are very interesting animals. Salamander. Salamanders live in cool, wet places. They have long, slim bodies. They move slowly. They eat insects. They look like little lizards. They like damp areas. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons live in deserts. They have spiky bodies. They are very good at handling heat. They love sunbathing on sand. They eat insects. They look like tiny dragons. Wow! Today we traveled through the Arctic, the ocean, and the green grassland. We met many amazing animals with different homes. Every animal has its own special place in the world. Thank you for playing and learning with Luccy. See you again on our next adventure.